How to share TikTok videos on Messenger. Open the TikTok on your device. Find the TikTok video that you would like to share. Tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. You can see various platforms over here. If Messenger is installed on your device, you'll be able to find the option for Messenger. Tap on it. Once you do that, you can see over here the Messenger will be opened. Tap on the send icon right next to the person that you would like to send the TikTok to. Once you do that, the TikTok will be sent to that particular chat. You can go back. Open the Messenger. See the chat where you send the TikTok. You can see over here the TikTok video has been sent. If they tap on it, it will be opened. Like this, you'll be able to share TikTok videos on Messenger. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.